Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul video. Over the past couple of months, I have bought some products from MAC and also from Clinique. So I'm going to be showing you what I got. Let's start with the MAC Cosmetics. I have bought this since 2-3 months. I've been collecting this and I have collected quite a few products. So let's start with the first one. Okay, this is a highlighter. I am wearing the highlighter today. I don't know if you can see it, but I really needed a highlighter, a good one. So I got one from MAC. So it looks like this. Do you want to see the swatch? This highlighter is really finely milled and also it is baked highlight. So what's happening is that it's going all over. The powder is flying all over, so it is really necessary to keep it very safely. I wouldn't say that this is a very travel friendly product because if you're traveling with it, it might break. This is how the swatch is looking like, if you can see the shine. I really like it. I'm wearing it right now. And this is going to be my first highlighter from MAC. Earlier, I used to use Becca highlighter, the Jaclyn Hill one, but I thought let's give this a try. Next product that I got from MAC is a Prolong Wear Pressed Powder. I had a powder from MAC, but it was a powder foundation. I did not have any powder to set my makeup with, so I got this one. My color is medium plus, and it comes with the applicators, and the color is this. It also comes with the mirror. So this one, another thing that I got, and I feel most of these things are necessary. And I did not have it, so I thought if I'm doing a makeup channel, I should have these products. The next product that I got was the Prep and Prime Finishing Powder. So this is a mattifying powder, translucent powder. I really love it. I had this product many years ago, and then I lost it. Oh my god, when I lost it, it completely broke my heart. Because I'm a very oily skin person and this helps to control oil, and I keep it in my purse. Whenever I get oily on my face, I just dab it a little bit on my face and I'm good to go. So this is a must have if you have oily skin, and also if you want to keep your makeup looking fresh for a long time. Next, this one, I'm so excited about this one. I have already used it a little bit, so it might look a little used. This is a Pro Conceal and Corrector palette. So I got this palette because first of all, it's so difficult to get a contour palette in India. I mean, Anastasia and Kat Von D, they are just so, they're not available in India and you have to order it online and it takes months to come. So I went to MAC and I got this one. My shade is the medium deep. So what you get is you get 4 concealers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 orange corrector and 1 highlighter. So orange corrector is, you're going to put it under your dark circles and then you're going to conceal with the concealer. There is a very dark concealer also, you can use this for contouring, and highlighter to highlight. So I really am excited about this product. If you want to see a tutorial of this product, please let me know and I'll do it for you. The next product I got was a foundation. This is a Prolong Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. The foundation color that I was using before was totally not my color. It was like one shade lighter to my skin tone, and one day I was wearing it and I went out and I was looking completely white like a ghost. I don't know, maybe I've gone dark or something. I was in a beach place and maybe I've got some tan. So I got a new foundation. This is in the color NC42. It's a Prolong Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. The foundation that I was using before, it did not control my oil. I have extremely oily skin, and this is amazing for oily skin. So if you have oily skin, please Look out for Prolonged by Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. The next thing I got was a mascara. My mascara was over, so I had to get it. So this is the wand and the mascara. Nothing too fancy. This mascara is called Opulash Optimum Black Mascara Volume and Corbin or Intense. God knows what that means. But it's an Opulash Optimum Black Mascara, so if you want that, it comes in a silver bottle like this. I love it. I'm wearing it right now. Then this is one of the most exciting things. I have been seeing YouTubers using a very nude eyeliner on their lower waterline, and I've been looking out for such a product, and I never got the really perfect one, but now I'm actually wearing it right now. I really love it. I love how it makes my eyes look bigger. So this is the liner. It's called, what is it called? It's called eyeliner kajal. It's just an eyeliner kajal. I don't know what color is this. Okay, it's Risque. The color is Risque for me. But if you go to the MAC store, they will match you with your own color. You just have to go and tell them that you want your eyes to look bigger and you want a very nude color for your waterline, and they'll give it to you. So that's it for MAC. Now I recently went to Clinique and I got some bunch of skincare products because my skincare products were over. I got this free gift also from them, so I really wanted a good makeup bag, so it's okay. The first thing I got from Clinique was this concealer. It's called All About Eyes concealer. It's a glycerin based concealer, and it is a good concealer, a good everyday wear concealer. The sales girl who was selling me this also said that it corrects and nourishes your eyes, under eyes, so I got that one. My color is, what's my color? Where is it written? So my color is medium honey. I got that. Then I got a moisturizing cream. My moisturizer was over. So this is a moisturizer that I use regularly every day. It goes with me everywhere. The name of this moisturizer is Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. So I got that. It was just something that was over and I had to pick it up. Then, oh, this is another thing I was really excited about. It's an eye roll-on, and I do not have too much dark circles, but I really wanted to see the effect of this under eye roll-on cream kind of a thing. I have seen other YouTubers using it. So basically how you're going to use this product is you're going to apply it under your eyes and leave it for like 5 minutes, and then start putting your primer and other makeup. So the last product that I got from Clinique was not something that I bought. They gave me a little bit of sample of their mattifying powder. I'm in the color Transparency 04. So I'm going to be using this and trying it on my face if it really is mattifying, and I'll let you know. So that's the last thing I got from Clinique. I also got this free gift from Clinique. They were really sweet. They gave me this pouch. I was really looking for a good pouch for travel, and when you're traveling you have to take your makeup with you. So thank you so much Clinique for giving it, and thank you so much Prajakta for helping me out so much. I went to the Art City Mall Clinique store, asked for Prajakta. She's a very nice girl. And if you're going to MAC in Kurla Mall, ask for Chetna. She is amazing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked my video, and if you like me and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll make more. Bye!